Hey beautiful! Are you struggling to lose weight and feeling like your metabolism has slowed down? You are not alone. And guess what? It's not your fault. Women over 40 face unique challenges when it comes to weight loss. But today, I'm here to share 10 simple and effective ways to boost your metabolism without strict diets or exhausting workouts. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I post science-backed, practical tips to help you achieve your dream body while feeling confident and energized. And if you know a friend who needs this advice, don't forget to share this video. It could change her life. So, are you ready to finally break free from the frustration and start seeing results? Let's get started. The power of protein, your metabolism's best friend. One of the easiest and most effective ways to rev up your metabolism is by eating more protein. Yes, you heard that right. Studies show that protein has a high thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories just digesting it. In fact, up to 30% of the calories you consume from protein are used up in the digestion process alone. Imagine this. If you eat a meal with 300 calories from chicken or fish, about 90 of those calories are burned just by breaking it down. Pretty amazing, right? But the benefits don't stop there. Protein also helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and preventing those energy crashes that lead to unhealthy snacking. To make it simple, here's a golden rule. Aim to have protein in every meal, whether it's eggs for breakfast, chicken salad for lunch, or grilled fish for dinner. A good target is to make protein about 30% of your daily calorie intake. And if you're wondering what the perfect meal looks like, follow this simple formula. Fill half your plate with colorful veggies. Add a quarter of lean protein, like chicken, fish, or tofu. Complete it with a quarter of healthy carbs, or fats, depending on your preference. This perfect plate not only fuels your body, but also helps you burn more calories effortlessly. Hydration hacks, the secret weapon you're ignoring. Drinking enough water is one of the most overlooked yet powerful ways to speed up your metabolism. Women over 40 often underestimate the importance of staying hydrated. But did you know that drinking water can actually help your body burn more calories? Here's the trick. When you drink cold water, your body works harder to warm it up, which means you burn extra calories. Research shows that drinking cold water can boost metabolism by up to 25% for about 40 minutes. Start your day with a big glass of water, 20 to 30 ounces, right after you wake up. This simple habit helps kickstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, and energize your body for the day ahead. Adding a pinch of sea salt can also provide essential minerals that support hydration. Another great tip: swap sugary drinks for water with lemon or herbal teas. Not only do they keep you hydrated, but they also help curb cravings and promote digestion. So, ladies, make hydration a priority and watch your metabolism soar. Ready for the next tip? Stay with me. Move smart, not hard. How exercise works for you. Exercise doesn't have to be exhausting to be effective. Women over 40 can see incredible results by focusing on smart movement rather than long, draining workouts. The key is to incorporate high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and strength training into your routine. HIIT workouts are short bursts of intense exercise, followed by rest periods, which can boost your metabolism for up to 24 hours after you've finished exercising. This means you'll keep burning calories even when you're not working out. On the go, Other, hand. Strength training helps build lean muscle, which naturally increases your metabolism. Muscle is more metabolically active than fat, meaning it burns more calories even when you're at rest. A simple way to start: aim for 3 sessions per week. Monday, 20-minute full body HIIT session. Wednesday, strength training focusing on legs. And Core Friday, upper body and flexibility exercises. Don't worry, you don't need heavy weights. Bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups can do wonders for your metabolism. Remember, ladies, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Stay tuned for our next tip. Sleep your way to a faster metabolism. Did you know that quality sleep is one of the most underrated tools for boosting your metabolism? When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the hunger hormone ghrelin, making you crave sugary and high-calorie foods. Lack of sleep also lowers levels of leptin, the hormone responsible for making you feel full, which leads to overeating and sluggish metabolism. To get the most out of your sleep, aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Try these tips to improve your sleep. Stick to a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading or taking a warm bath. Avoid screens at least an hour before bed to reduce blue light exposure. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet to promote deep sleep. By prioritizing sleep, you'll wake up refreshed, have better control over cravings, and boost your metabolism naturally. Your metabolism makeover starts today. Ladies, boosting your metabolism after 40 is absolutely possible with the right daily habits. By incorporating protein-rich meals, staying hydrated, moving smartly, prioritizing sleep, and staying consistent with these small but powerful changes, you can achieve your weight loss goals and feel amazing. Now it's your turn. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more empowering health tips. Share this video with your friends and let's support each other on this journey to feeling our best. See you in the next video.